Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Paybis application. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your default language on Paybis wallet, then the first thing to do is to open up your Paybis application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your home page, tap on the menu bar or the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner. Soon after you tap the hamburger menu, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap the profile settings button in order to open up your profile. In your profile area, you'll be able to see a drop-down menu that says Default Language. By default, your language is set to English. Tap on the drop-down to see in order to view other languages available on your Paybis account. In order to choose a language and change the language settings, tap on one of the options displayed on the screen, and you'll be able to change your default language to something else of your choice on Paybis account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.